Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. So let me quickly start the workout so we can stop it. So I'm gonna start hiking like this. And let's say you have a workout going and you want to stop it. Now, to do it, you can press the upper button to pause it. And on the pause menu, you will see this button right here. The lower button basically stops the workout. So press it. And here we have the end screen, I would call it. And we can do a couple things. We can end the workout and save the data. We can open the control panel, settings for it. We can end the workout and discard the data. Don't save the data of your workout. So select the option you like. For the video sake, I'm gonna end it normally. So press the middle button. You can choose how you felt during the workout. And it will start saving. And after that, it will show you the workout summary. So basically you can check the stats from your workout. And here you can check them and then press the back button if you want to. But if you want to remove them, you can also select delete and then confirm by pressing the upper button. Okay, and that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.